Graduation is a once-in-a-lifetime moment. It brings happiness, and you should celebrate it with a simple yet memorable party where you can share that joy with friends, family, colleagues, and neighbors. To make your graduation party even more fun and exciting, consider the right decorations, refreshments, and games. If you agree, take a moment to focus on this video featuring 10 graduation backyard party ideas. To keep the content coming, press the subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Number 10. Hang a graduation photo wreath. A graduation photo wreath serves as both a nostalgic decoration and a reminder of your journey from childhood to graduation. To create one, you'll need photos spanning from your early years to your graduation day, along with your graduation cap or a similar item, and other decorative knickknacks. Arrange the photos and the cap in a circular formation, much like a wreath, and attach it to an old window or door. 9. Create a chic photo booth. A photo booth is essential for backyard parties, capturing the joy of the event. To set one up, use a large blackboard or fabric in a designated area. For decoration, you can draw on it with chalk or attach some tassels. Let your imagination and creativity guide you. It's easier than you think to create an inviting photo booth.
Number 8. Make a Canoe outdoor buffet table.
Food is indispensable at any party, and presenting it uniquely can enhance the experience. Consider using a canoe as your buffet table. You'll need a canoe and trays to display the food. Before setting up, ensure the canoe is clean. Then lay sturdy planks lengthwise on the supports. For an attractive touch, add 1 or 2 buckets of flowers. The buffet menu can include tiered cheese wheels, cake with crackers, assorted sandwiches, porchetta, chicken, roasted vegetables, beef, seasonal veggies, assorted dips, fresh fruit, and homemade pickles. Number 7. Chocolate-dipped strawberries. Sweets and fruits are vital for every outdoor party, and chocolate-dipped strawberries combine both. The freshness of the strawberries paired with the richness of chocolate will elevate your celebration. Use dark, milk, or white chocolate to coat the strawberries. Simply grab the strawberry by the stem and dip it into the melted chocolate until covered. Let them set, and they're ready to serve. For quicker results, you can freeze them in the fridge. Number 6. Keep the drinks cold. Like food, drinks are a must-have at every party, especially outdoors. Cold beverages will refresh your guests, and they're easy to prepare. Choose your favorite chilled drinks from the supermarket and stock up on ice cubes. Prepare clean buckets or tubs, fill them with ice, and soak your drinks. Number 5. DIY Tassel Garland Project. For a cute decoration that enhances the appeal of your party, try making a DIY tassel garland. You can hang it on trees, walls, or doorways. To make the garland, take a piece of tissue paper, lay it flat, and smooth out any wrinkles. Then fold it several times, then cut fringes from the bottom up on the unfolded side. Roll the uncut area tightly, twist the middle section, and gently untangle the tassels as you go while leaving a 5-centimeter section rolled for the next step. Create a loop where you're twisting and continue for about 1.5 centimeters. Use hot glue to secure it and repeat until you run out of tissue paper. Finally, attach twine to the loop. Number 4. Get outdoor games. Games are crucial to energize the party atmosphere. Consider including a graduation cap tic-tac-toe game. You'll need square fabric pieces, duct tape, and graduation caps in 2 colors. Place the fabric on the ground and use tape to create a checkerboard pattern. Split the players into 2 teams and assign a cap color. Each player takes turns tossing a cap, and the first team to connect 3 wins. Number 3. Make your front walk more appealing. Enhance your front walk to welcome guests. Use paper plates attached to sticks to spell out a greeting. Write 1 letter per plate and secure them into the ground to guide attendees to the right venue. This simple idea adds a charming touch to your entrance. Number 2. Cap Mason Jar Project. Surprise your guests with eco-friendly gift wrapping featuring a graduation cap mason jar. Gather recycled scrapbook paper, a mason jar, tape, paper glue, and twine. Cover the edge of your mason jar's lid with a thin strip of black paper. Cut a square piece of the paper and attach it to the top of the jar. Create a small tassel using yellow paper for the twine, secure it at the top, and ensure the yellow paper hangs elegantly over the jar. Finally, cut a small circle out of your black paper and attach it to the top. Before we wrap up our countdown, remember that every like, share, and comment helps us reach a wider audience. If you've watched this far, you know what to do. If the new voice kept you tuned in, give the video some hype to help it reach new heights. But if that feels like too much, just know you've done great by spending your valuable time here. With that, let's close our countdown with... Number 1, don't forget your gift table. At celebrations like graduation parties, gifts are common, so prepare a dedicated table or box for guests to leave them. You might also include a guest book on the same table to record thank you notes later. With these ideas, your party will be more unique and memorable. Don't forget to check the link in the description for detailed entries included in this list. DIY Graduation Photo Timeline. Creating a DIY graduation photo timeline is a fantastic way to showcase your journey from childhood to graduation. Here's how to do it. Materials needed: string, clothespins or clips, a selection of photos from key milestones from childhood to graduation day, and decorative elements like fairy lights or banners. Instructions: hang the string along a wall or between 2 trees, clip the photos onto the string in chronological order, add fairy lights for a magical touch, and consider including small captions or notes under each photo to share memories. This visual display engages guests and sparks conversations about shared experiences and memories. Graduation-themed cocktails or mocktails. Introducing a graduation-themed cocktail or mocktail station can add a vibrant and interactive element to your celebration. Start by setting up a dedicated drink station where guests can mix their own beverages, allowing everyone to personalize their drinks and get creative. Choose colorful juices such as blue raspberry lemonade or strawberry soda as a base, and provide an array of garnishes like fresh fruit slices, herbs, or edible glitter to enhance presentation. Simple recipe cards can guide guests in mixing their own signature drinks with fun names like Cap and Gown Punch or Graduation Splash to match the celebratory mood. Oh, and by the way, at the SimFoam channel, you'll discover a range of lists that you won't find anywhere else. For example, we offer insights like 10 small bedroom ideas with big beds, 10 interior design tips to improve your sleep quality, and 10 creative DIY projects to revamp your shoe storage, among many others. Each list is compiled through extensive research and careful writing, with relevant sources included to enhance your learning experience. So, what are you waiting for? If you have some free time and internet access, follow the link in the description to fully explore what SimFoam has to offer. That's it for now. Before you go, please like this video if you enjoyed it. Feel free to comment or share it with your friends on social media or via email. Lastly, we look forward to seeing you again soon with more videos like this. Until then, thanks for watching.